Video, we're going to talk about something that I always talk about. You already know now. It's the American Express Business Simply Blue Card. So before I get into this video, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can hear all the latest tips and tricks of business and funding opportunities. And not only that, we do product reviews and videography and a whole lot of other cool stuff. And also check the link below. I'll leave the exact video on this actual application. And then don't forget, if you're looking for funding for yourself or you need some help looking for funding for your own business or friend's business, don't forget to check out businesscreditasap.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. But let's get started on this approval. So let me get into the reason why I actually applied for this card. I thought it was easy to get for me and my credit score and also my business score. I had a great Dun & Bradstreet score and a great experience score as well, above 80, a paydex score. So, and in I forgot to tell you also, my credit score is about, I'll say around 730. Normally when I'm approved for any type of cards, I try to keep my credit above 720, which is coming close to excellent, in order to make sure that I get approved. So I applied for American Express Simply Blue Card and I got approved. I usually have the actual mail in hand, but I don't know, I got real hype and I just tore it up. And I got approved for at least $15,000 on this one right here. So I just want to give you guys a disclaimer. Don't forget to check and read the agreements before you actually start using the cards. But let's get into it. So one of the reasons why I got this card is because of the cashback. I do have other American Express cards, but some of them are for travel. But this one right here is for cashback. So benefit number one that I have with this card is the fact that you get 9 months of zero interest. You know what that means? It means a lot in business terms. So benefit number two, one of the biggest cashback rewards you get is 5% on telephone services and shipping supplies. So that's pretty big for a business owner. Business owner or not, but cashback is always a good thing. So I'm going to go in detail as far as what the percentage is on cashback. Cash back. So the third benefit in this is actually getting the $250 in statement credit for spending $5,000 in the course of 6 months. But guess what? So that's a total of $500 in qualifying purchase in the first year. Computer hardware and advertisement, shipping, airfares, hotel stays. Next is 3% that you get back from gas stations, restaurants, and the list goes on. So that's all I have on this card. Definitely, guys, hit the subscribe button below so you can get all the latest updates on what I'm doing here on Lifestyle. Also, like the video and comment below. And don't forget to check the description where I'll have the course that actually teaches you how to get these approvals like I'm getting here. businesscreditasap.com. See you again.